Hi guys, welcome back to Top 10 Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching. In this video, we are going to feature Wing Boss franchise business packages. Reminder, please watch the whole video to get the important information you need to franchise with Wing Boss Restaurant. Wing Boss Restaurant began its operation on September 19, 2018 in Davao City. Its first flagship branch is established in Davao City, offering unlimited chicken wings. It is originally formulated and made with the joint collaboration and contribution of the family, especially her siblings. It uses only natural and no preservatives ingredients. This is to create Wing Boss trademark taste. They believe it all contributes to our remarkable experience and customer satisfaction, which makes the business a total hit in a short span of time operating. Their mission. Wing Boss Restaurant mission is to deliver excellence in its products and customer service where everyone can dine, eat, and enjoy like a boss. Their vision. Wing Boss Restaurant envisions itself as the brand of choice in chicken wing cravings and the server of exemplary customer service in the industry. The following are the Wing Boss products: spiced garlic, zesty honey, fiery wings, Wing Boss Special, classic hot shots, seasoned teriyaki, gravilicious, honey barbecue, pineapple teriyaki, garlic parmesan, garlic mayo, and many more. For the franchise information, the initial fees are: for kiosk, it is worth 150,000 pesos. For restaurant, the initial fee is worth 400,000 pesos. And for the area franchise, the initial fee is 1 million pesos with the rights for 3 outlets. While for the initial and renewal terms, for kiosk is good for 3 years terms. For restaurant is good for 5 years terms. And area franchise is good for 7 years terms. For the franchise inclusions, it includes site approval, training for franchisee and staff, procurement program, opening assistance, operations manual on loan, and research and development. The renewal fee is 50% and the royalty fees is 4%, while the continuation fee for kiosk is good for 3,000 pesos per month. For the franchise procedure, first, contact Wing Boss for any inquiry. Number 2, submit questionnaire and letter of intent. Number 3, discussion of franchise details. Number 4, present franchise disclosure information. Number 5, visit and check site location. And number 6, execution of franchise agreement. Number 7, outlet setup and staff training. Number 8, pre-opening and marketing assistance. And lastly, number 9, outlet grand opening. For the contact details, their address is Unit B6 and B7, Macpad 2 Kamachili Street, Matina, Davao, Davao City, 8000 Davao City, Philippines. You can call them mobile number 63956 3804822 or 0966-7588-585. You can send them email through wingboss.online@gmail.com. You can visit their FB page at Wingboss. Their Instagram account is WingbossPH. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. Do you provide location for interested franchisees? Each franchisee is required to secure their own outlet, suggested to secure location in commercial areas. Question number 2. Do you have assistance in permit processing such as DTI, SEC, BIR, etc.? Answer: it's the responsibility of the franchisees. However, the operation manual includes the processes and guidelines in processing the permits and licenses. Question number 3. How will you ensure that the service quality and standard operations are being upheld? Answer: the franchisor will designate his or her representative who will audit operations on the basis of franchisors' approved standards. Question number 4. How long will it take to recover the investment? Answer: it depends upon the financial viability on various factors such as sales, investment, and ability of the franchisee to effectively manage his expenses. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Wingbus today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for them to be informed on our next educational videos here at Top 10 Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching.